Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 185. Messrs. Barber and Company, the New Carriage Company, and the Dorset Supply Company are to be converted into limited companies. The annual reports of the Malleable Iron Company Limited, Smith Brown and Company Limited, and the Weaving Company Limited all bear testimony to the prosperity of trade during the past year. A government official, a well known railway official, and a clerk in another government department have all advised me to take shares in Lee's Brewery Company. But as a member of a temperance society, I do not like the idea. The local authorities have invited the committee of the Agricultural Society to arrange a show here, and the local Society of Musicians has undertaken the charge of the musical arrangements. It is hoped the committee will arrange the matter. Please make arrangements to come over on the first day if possible. Full stop.